What's going on, everyone? Vince here with Life with Vincent Luu, and today is just another one of those days where I have been super duper busy. So here I am, yet again, another short video just to keep my YouTube streak alive. And I just got back from work. As you can tell, I was actually at a property filming another virtual walkthrough, and also my first time using this little baby. Actually, I guess it would be my second time because I did take it on a test run, but my first official time filming with it. So I thought it'd be a good idea to share with you all my amateur drone clips. So here we go. And there we go, my first official time using the drone for longer than 2 minutes, and I learned a ton, especially with the angles, especially how I should probably step inside of the house before it starts recording. So it's only going to get better from here. So thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that video. Please give this video a thumbs up. It really helped me out. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. On this YouTube channel, I come out with daily content. Mondays, real estate. Tuesdays, Q&A. Wednesdays, live stream. Thursdays, miscellaneous. Fridays, jiu-jitsu. Saturday, searchable / review videos. And Sunday, ultra running. If you want to catch another one of my videos, there's a video right here, and there's a video right here. See you all tomorrow.